We are the Bellevue from France. We currently live in Manchester and we're doing some electropop. We decided to move to Manchester basically because we wanted to see something else. We like France, but it is hard in France to perform live and play music, so yeah, we wanted to live in the United Kingdom. In London, it's just way too big for us. Yeah, basically it helps us to perform and to train, you know, because we were just like two guys in our bedroom playing music, so we needed a better way to perform, and yeah, the school helps us for that. Scrolling down the screen. I guess our music inspirations are like every deal, because we were raised by French electro, like Daft Punk and de-ess. But yeah, we're inspired by 21 Pilots and GMT. I guess yeah, everyone that is a duo is an inspiration for us, you know, because it is hard to play music when you're on your duo. You gotta cheat with computers and everything. So, yeah. Tears on the ground. I'm so cold tonight, lying so. Yeah, we love it. We love the Manchester music scene because everything seems so easy for everyone. Just go outside, go to a pub, and there's music in it. So yeah, that is just amazing. Really, we love it. Scrolling down the screen. Staying here first. Yeah, we're staying in Manchester and performing live and making more music, I guess.
Come back to the school?
Yeah, let's do another course in this school because we love this school. Thank you, CM.
Thank you very much.
And yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Living our best life.